Make a great choice today with the 2017 Chevrolet Express 3500. Chevrolet Express 3500 passenger and cargo vans do exactly what they're supposed to do. Allow you to transport, haul, tow, and work like you need to. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, trip computer, MP3 playback stereo, bucket seats, power windows, power door locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.